101 with Lynch and Taco.
This is Orlando's Rock Station, 101.1 WJRR. Don't forget, right around 9:05, your first of 3 cracks at packing your bags, heading west to Vegas for a nice long party weekend, culminating with our iHeartRadio Music Festival. Oh, yeah, and $1,000. We're going to send you with that as well.
Happens 3 times daily. Again, 9:05, you're going to get that keyword that you text off to 200.
If you win, you also get to bring a guest with you. So, yeah.
It's a hell of a prize.
Looking forward to that. Okay, let's begin this idiotology in Cartersville, Georgia. Bartow County sheriff's deputies there were running speed control, the old radar guns, and they caught a driver who was doing 60 miles per hour in a 35 zone. That would be 55-year-old Gilbert Spencer. So they pull Gilbert over. Sir, you're, obviously speeding in a 35. You're going 60, and we need your driver's license, please. And Gilbert proceeded to hand them his passport. And the officer goes, "No, sir, I need your driver's license." He goes, "Well,
let me guess, you don't have one, Gilby."
Gilbert's angle was he's not driving, he's traveling. Therefore, the passport should be sufficient in this situation.
So one of these guys.
Officer was like, "Okay, sir, I see what we're dealing with here. As you said, Taco, one of these guys. Let's just run your information." It soon became clear why Gilbert didn't have a license. It's because it was suspended for failure to appear in courts. License.
Oh, who needs that?
Just have your passport with you. You're traveling after all.
I think that we all know the feeling. The feeling you get when you drive past a speed trap, when you're approaching, you see it, and that feeling that you get, and then drive past where you're going, no, please don't pull out of the grass.
The lights are going on.
Do not, no, not even at that point. The point of, Pat, before that, please do not gun it out of that grass after me. Come on, man.
Do you ever, and then
it gives you that raw gut feeling.
But as you get that, which you're spot on with that, the sense of great relief after you see that the officer that was sitting there in the median or wherever doesn't do anything, and then you look down and realize, damn, it was like 25 miles an hour over the speed.
Oh, God.
Was he taking a nap?
Wow.
Or then you try to rationalize it in your brain. He must just be looking for people like going really fast.
He's looking for them super speeders.
Right. I think if I was a cop, I would have just tased this dude. That's probably why it's good I didn't become a cop.
Yeah, I think your patience level would have really, because Pat was going to become a cop. With your patience, not a good mix.
Present day, no. Back then, I was on the beeline to that career. And then pirate radio happened, and I quickly changed.
And then, that's all to the wayside. But, you know what? This guy's trying to play that he's traveled.
Exactly. Don't show you traveling.
Uh-huh.
How do you like that, Gil?
You're going to have some volts traveling through your body, Gildo.
In other law enforcement-related news, we go overseas to the UK, where they have a jail overcrowding situation. So they've come up with a solution for this.
I have one, too, with Bob World Order, yes?
I can't wait to hear that. No, what they're going to do is, obviously, many offenses that could be jail-worthy, at least for a period of time, will now defendants will face alternative sentences and punishments, such as banning them from UK-favorite activities such as going to the pub, a concert, or a soccer match.
Hey, you're free, but you know what? You can do nothing fun.
What do you mean I can't go down to the pub? No, the jail's full. I'm sorry. This is you can't go to the concert or the soccer match either.
I'm going to stay in jail.
They already have the soccer match ban for hooligans. If they catch people being hooligans, they'll ban your ass. But
Okay, now the agreement is we're going to let you out, but you can't go to concerts or the pub. Wait, the pub? I want to stay in jail. So the Bob World Order approached this, BWO.
For overcrowded jail system.
Oh, we didn't tell the masses we showed up at an event with them, but we have BWO Bob World Order shirts now.
Those were wildly popular.
Oh, my
at
God.
Fish Lips on Friday night.
Gone in minutes. I still don't have one because we ran out so quickly.
Me either. We did. It's great. All the small and mediums that they sent with us.
Of course.
You know, some construction worker there standing looking at me like I'm an effing idiot.
Uh-huh.
You want me to put this on my forearm?
Yeah. Come on, Al Lange. So, no, the Bob World Order approach is if you have an overcrowded jail, you just go right to death row. And say,
Wait, what?
No. Hear me out. You go right to that sector, right? They're all in cages. You just get like the animals are. No, so you just march down to the, death row sector and say, okay, what's that one do? Okay, come on here. Come here. There's one person gone. Right here? Oh, nope, here's two. Pat, we'd be wiping them out. At one thing to win on is you're saving the taxpayer the dollar. Wiping them out, and then we have more room for the other ones.
That may work here. I'm not so sure the UK has the death penalty. I don't believe. I don't think most places in Europe do.
Come on.
They're much more forward-thinking than we are, Taco, us being the heathens here in the United States. To double-check that, but I'm pretty sure they do not.
Oh, I don't care.
Okay.
Somebody said sovereign citizens is what those jackasses are called.
Yeah, it's... I don't think a sovereign citizen would even have a passport.
Oh, true.
That's government ID type thing.
Good point.
Yeah. So we got a city council meeting in Cecil, Pennsylvania.
Somebody said habitual jaywalker. Go BWO on him.
Right.
That guy's jaywalking all the time. Tase.
Cecil, Pennsylvania, they convened a special town council meeting to address the noise issues being created by Steel Town Motocross, which is a motocross dirt track.
Okay.
And I guess they're receiving lots and lots of noise complaints about the motocross bikes. And
because motocross bikes are like this. Yeah.
Exactly.
That's it. Yeah.
So they convene the meeting. They discuss this. Then they open it up for discussion with public comments. And one gentleman who's obviously pro motocross stepped up to the mic and they asked him his name. And well,
I really just came up here to say that you're either going to hear them where they're allowed to be or you're going to hear them where they're not allowed to be.
You need to...
Are you kidding?
Thank you for the entertainment. All right, is that it for public comment? Anyone else? If there's further disruption, we're going to have to ask you to leave.
So he's doing it even as he walks away.
It sounds like he's being dragged out.
Yeah. That doesn't chop. That doesn't top Chubby Wubby, but that's a close second.
Yeah. For those of you wondering about the Chubby Wubby comment, we had a city council meeting type situation like this. We talked about this probably 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And the city councilors are up in whatever city this was, and they're talking amongst themselves. And I guess it's come time for the public comment part of the meeting, and the mics are still hot. And one of the counselors see who's walking up, and I guess it was a chronic complainer. And he turns to the person next to him. He goes, "Oh, great! Let's see what this Chubby Wubby has to complain about this time."
It went over the whole thing. I heard that.